What's up guys, welcome back. So guys, we've got a great new updated APK. It's the Morpheus TV APK. Guys, it's version 1.63 and it's been updated previously with version 1.53. Guys, this is a new update and it works flawlessly. There's many talks about it actually scraping torrents. Well guys, there's a fix for that as well. And remember, this new update allows you the autoplay function. So guys, let's get to it. First, when you actually open the APK app, you're going to go to settings. As you see, you'll have the autoplay function. You can enable it or disable it. I do not prefer it, but I will have it disabled. And then once you're done with that, you're going to go back out. You're going to go into subtitles. And then you're going to enable and or disable subtitles. I suggest disabling it as it does stall when trying to download the subtitles. So disable that, go into primary language. It will be set on English. You're going to set it to disable and you're going to come down to secondary languages. Guys, it's also going to be selected English. You're going to go right up, you're going to disable it, and then you're going to come right down to the bottom of the screen. Guys, if you're using a mouse pointer or a mouse itself, you'll be able to just click directly on OK, and then that's done. So you'll have automatic downloads selected or highlighted as enabled. You're going to disable that as well, and then we're going to go back out. Guys, once you've done that, you're going to go to torrents, and as you see at the top, it says enable torrents. It will be enabled when you first download the APK. I suggest disabling it if you don't have a VPN service, so we'll disable that. So now it's just going to scrape sources from the internet and not use torrents. So we're going to go back out. Guys, we're ready to use this APK. So as we see, we got movies and TV shows. If we open up movies, we've got trending, popular, search, watch list, and collection. So let's try the popular list. So as we see guys, it opens up with big thumbnails. They work flawlessly and it starts up quite fast and clear as well. So let's try one of these movies for you guys to show you how it actually works. Let's try the Avengers 2012. So we're going to wait for it to scrape sources from the internet. Guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe tab, hit the notification bell, and leave your comments down below. And for those of you that actually subscribed already, thanks a lot, much appreciated, and a thumbs up to you guys for the support. So as you see guys, we picked up the sources. Guys, when we look at the number at the right hand side, it's actually highlighted in green. That goes to show that the source is actually close by in a good server, and then it actually goes in different. As it scrapes sources, you get different numbers. I suggest always trying to use the lowest number, and that will give you a flawless stream. So I'm going to click on that, click there. I'm just going to wait for it to start up guys. So as we see, it starts up. I'm going to stop it there guys. So it works flawlessly, no buffer, and it's a great APK. So guys, the same thing goes with TV shows. It works the same way. So if we go into TV shows, we go to trending shows, and we have it here guys. Everything opens up, all the seasons. I've tried quite a few and they work quite well. So I'm not going to go down into that. I don't want this video to be long and actually bore you guys. It's just a short tutorial and to give you all the new link to the Morpheus APK. So we're going to go back out. Guys, if you want to actually save stuff as opposed to keeping my collection and watch list, you're going to need a tracked account, which once you click on there, it gives you a pop-up screen telling you to visit certain tracked activate account and enter that code to actually save your stuff, right? So we're going to go back out. Guys, let's get down to actually installing this. So I'm going to close this off, close it off. So we're going to use the downloader app itself. So your Fire Stick owners or Android box owners who have the downloader, it's much easier to use. So we're going to click on that. We're going to open it up. So guys, once you're here, you're going to enter this link, which is bit.ly/Apk TV 123, and then you're going to click on go. You're going to wait for it to actually download. So guys, once you get to this page, you're going to click on download, and you're going to wait for the process to start up. As we see, it's starting to connect and it's going to download directly from the browser. Guys, I will leave this link in the description, and I will leave a link to the downloader APK as well in the description for you guys using an Android box. You just click on the downloader, download the APK to your PC, use a USB stick, load it there, and side load it to your Android box. I will make a video on how to actually do that in the next upload, guys. So once we've done this, we're going to click on install. It's going to start to install the APK. So guys, it's done installing. We're going to click on done, and once you've done that, we're going to delete the APK installation, and we're ready to go, guys. So guys, I hope this tutorial was actually helpful and does help you in the streaming world. It's a great APK and will do you wonders. So guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next upload.